Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting lineup of innovative gadgets that will transform your everyday life. But there's one particular device that stands out. A gadget that not only cools you down on a hot day, but also serves multiple functions, from providing a powerful breeze to acting as a portable power source. Its sleek design and versatile wear options make it perfect for any situation, whether you're at work, outdoors, or on the go. Intrigued? Make sure to watch until the end to uncover the mystery of this amazing gadget. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below to stay updated on the latest and greatest products. Let's dive in. Meet the Tipmant RC Snake, a remarkably lifelike remote-controlled crawler designed to surprise and entertain. This innovative gadget captures the essence of a real snake with its striking appearance, featuring a flexible body that allows it to slither convincingly, vivid skin patterns that mimic natural scales, and movements so realistic that it can easily be mistaken for a living creature. Such attention to detail makes it an ideal choice for a variety of uses, from playful pranks that deliver a startle to unsuspecting friends and family, to serving as a captivating and unique gift for children. The Tipmant RC Snake is equipped with intuitive remote control functions, allowing users to effortlessly make it crawl forward, execute turns, and even flash a menacing red light from its eyes. This interactive design ensures hours of fun for users of all ages, as they can navigate the snake through different terrains, perform tricks, and create scenarios that enhance the overall experience. The remote control is user-friendly, making it easy for children to master and enjoy without frustration. Operational within a range of 19.7 feet, the Tipmant RC Snake provides ample space for exploration and play. It features a quick 25-minute charging time, after which it can deliver 15 minutes of continuous, uninterrupted play. This efficiency ensures that the fun can resume quickly after a short break, maintaining the excitement and engagement for children. Crafted from durable ABS plastic, the Snake is designed to withstand the rigors of enthusiastic play, ensuring resilience against wear and tear. This durability guarantees long-term enjoyment without compromising on quality or performance, whether for spooky Halloween antics, where it can add a layer of fright to any setup, or for everyday amusement that sparks imagination and creativity. The Tipmant RC Snake promises an engaging experience that seamlessly blends realism with simplicity. Its lifelike design and easy operation make it appealing to children aged 8 and above, encouraging them to explore and interact with their environment in new and exciting ways. Furthermore, the Tipmant RC Snake is not just a toy. It's an educational tool that can spark curiosity about reptiles and nature. By observing the snake's movements and understanding how the remote control influences its actions, children can learn about the basics of robotics and remote control technology in an enjoyable and hands-on manner. This makes the Tipmant RC Snake a perfect addition to any child's collection, providing both entertainment and educational value. The AGPTEK electrical balloon pump stands out as a reliable tool for event decorators and party planners alike. Boasting advanced wire storage and an automatic power-off feature, it ensures safety and longevity by protecting against damage and overheating during extended periods of non-use. Its lightweight and portable design make it convenient for various settings, from birthday parties to large-scale promotional events. This electric pump excels in speed and efficiency, inflating latex and decorative balloons quickly with its dual-mode operation, manual and automatic. The user-friendly controls allow for seamless switching between continuous airflow and touch-on activation, catering to diverse inflation needs. However, while it handles most standard balloon types effectively, it's not suitable for small, double-stuffed balloons or helium-filled varieties. Certified by ETL for safety, the AGPTEK pump guarantees peace of mind with its robust build and reliable performance. It operates at an input voltage of 110 to 120 volts, delivering consistent pressure and air volume suitable for inflating multiple balloons simultaneously. Despite its efficient operation, users should be mindful of its noise level and potential for overheating with prolonged use, recommending intervals of rest to maintain optimal functionality. Whether setting up festive decorations or preparing for promotional displays, this balloon pump promises durability and ease of use, enhancing any occasion with its practical features and dependable performance. Transform your entertainment experience with the Mictul RGB Light Bar, a versatile addition designed to enhance your home setup. This sleek light bar features advanced dynamic audio sync capabilities. Thanks to its built-in music tracking sensor, whether you're gaming, watching movies, or hosting a party, the light bar adjusts its colors and patterns to match the rhythm of your music, creating a visually captivating atmosphere. With modes like Smooth Mode, accessible via the included 2.4 GHz radio frequency remote control, you can effortlessly customize the lighting to suit different occasions and moods, all from the comfort of your couch or bed. The Mictul RGB Light Bar doesn't just elevate your audiovisual experiences, it also adds a touch of elegance to your living space. Its vibrant colors and multiple dynamic modes transform any room into a vibrant entertainment hub. Designed for convenience, it operates on a 5V USB interface, making it compatible with PCs, TVs, and power banks for easy setup and flexibility. Its portable and lightweight design ensures that you can move it around effortlessly, adapting to different environments and setups without hassle. Unlike traditional lighting options, this light bar offers a modern twist with its immersive features and user-friendly controls. While it provides impressive lighting effects, it remains gentle on the eyes, making it suitable for extended use in low-light environments or spaces with poor lighting conditions. Though it lacks a detachable USB cable, which may limit customization options, its robust functionality and ease of use make it a standout choice for anyone looking to enhance their home theater, gaming setup, or decorative lighting arrangements. Introducing the car LED sign, a cutting-edge tool that revolutionizes communication on the move. This programmable display unit measures 9 by 2 by 2.5 inches and is equipped with a sturdy frame and 2 adjustable suction cups, making it effortless to affix onto car windows or any smooth surface. It operates on DC 5-volt power and includes a 10-foot USB cable for convenient connectivity to car chargers or AC-DC adapters, ensuring reliable performance in various environments like cars, taxis, storefronts, and exhibitions. The standout feature of the car LED sign is its Bluetooth connectivity, enabling seamless programming via a dedicated smartphone app compatible with both iOS and Android platforms. This allows users to craft personalized messages, animations, and music equalizer displays in up to 12 languages, catering to diverse communication needs and enhancing visibility. The display supports multiple modes, including scrolling text, static images, and dynamic animations, offering flexibility for personal and business use alike. Safety and usability are paramount with this device, which operates within a temperature range of 0 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit and includes operational tips to ensure longevity and optimal performance. Its energy-efficient design not only reduces power consumption but also promotes safe driving by providing clear and visible messages to other motorists or pedestrians. Whether used for personal expression or promotional purposes, the car LED sign is designed to illuminate and inform, making it a versatile and essential companion for enhancing communication on the road or in commercial settings. Discover the innovative Tipmant RC Snake, a lifelike remote-controlled gadget that brings excitement and surprise to any setting. With its flexible body, realistic movements, and user-friendly remote, it's perfect for playful pranks, educational fun, and more. But that's not all. We have many more amazing gadgets lined up, ready to wow you with their unique features and capabilities. Stay tuned to explore these incredible devices that will make your life more fun and convenient. Experience the thrill of aerial photography with the S98 Drone, equipped with a 4K dual camera system for stunning visuals and a stable flight system for smooth navigation. This high-definition drone captures extraordinary moments with precision and clarity. Featuring advanced 360-degree obstacle avoidance technology, it ensures superior performance and safety during flights. Its foldable and portable design makes it convenient to carry, while the one-touch takeoff and landing, gesture recognition, and mobile phone control offer effortless operation. The S98 Drone boasts innovative features like optical flow hovering, gravity induction trajectory delineation, and beauty shooting modes. It also includes a 3D mode headless option and a 3-speed switch, making it versatile for various flying conditions. The upgraded aerial photography sensor delivers 4K video quality and 1080p live streaming, allowing for extended photo shoots and long-distance flights with up to 15 minutes of battery life. Equipped with infrared sensors for forward and backward detection, the drone actively avoids obstacles, providing a safe flying experience even for beginners. The dual camera system, with a 120-degree wide-angle view and adjustable range, captures stunning highlights and shadows, With Wi-Fi transmission for real-time video and photo sharing, the S98 Drone breaks traditional boundaries, offering breathtaking aerial capabilities in a user-friendly package. Introducing the new and improved fart machine, as seen on Howard Stern. Now you can create hilarious moments anywhere with this device that produces 15 incredibly realistic fart sounds. With boombox technology, the sounds are louder and more lifelike than ever. The fart machine includes a remote transmitter and a speaker that requires one 9-volt battery with a range of up to 100 feet and the ability to work through walls. Ideal for parties, pranks,
nice,
and just about any occasion. The fart machine is lightweight, portable, and easy to hide. Use it in school, the office, or even a baby's diaper to catch your friends and family off guard. The remote control allows you to activate the fart sounds from a distance, creating endless opportunities for fun and laughter. The unit comes with stick pads to attach the speaker under chairs or tables discreetly. Perfect for April Fool's Day, birthdays, or just everyday fun, this durable and easy-to-operate gadget guarantees a good time. Each unit includes one fart machine base with boombox technology, one wireless remote control, and sticky tape for hiding the speaker. Watch as everyone tries to figure out who let one loose with the classic game collection remote control fart machine. It's a fun and silly way to surprise and entertain, creating unforgettable memories and plenty of laughs. Discover the elegance and precision of the OUPINKE luxury watch. This tourbillon skeleton design watch combines innovative engineering with timeless style, featuring a stunning golden outer ring and a black dial. The mechanical movement ensures durability and stability, lasting over 10 years. Equipped with an annual calendar, monthly calendar, day of the week, 24-hour display, and luminous hands, this watch is also waterproof up to 50 meters, making it versatile for various activities like hand washing, swimming, and car washing. The automatic winding mechanism keeps the watch powered through daily wear, with manual winding available for additional energy. Its tungsten steel bracelet and sapphire lens ensure high quality and a premium look, suitable for both indoor and outdoor activities. Ideal as a gift, it is perfect for occasions like birthdays, weddings, business events, and holidays. OUPINKE also offers the option to extend the strap. The watch comes in a luxurious gift box, making it an excellent present for loved ones. With its blend of functionality and style, the OUPINKE luxury watch is a sophisticated addition to any wardrobe, providing exceptional performance and a refined aesthetic. As said in the beginning, we are introducing the Rican Portable fan, a versatile cooling solution perfect for any situation. With adjustable airflow settings, you can customize your comfort with 3 different speeds, providing anything from a gentle breeze to a powerful gust. The fan features an impressive 8,000 mAh battery capacity, offering up to 23 hours of continuous use, and can even serve as a mobile power source when you're on the go. Designed with both style and functionality in mind, the fan boasts a sleek, ergonomic design that doubles as a fashionable accessory. Its dual-clip design allows for versatile wear options, whether clipped to your waist, attached to your shirt, or hung on your back, ensuring constant airflow without any hassle. The durable silicone shell adds a layer of drop protection, enhancing the fan's longevity. For those needing robust cooling power, the Rican Portable fan includes a high-performance brushless motor capable of reaching speeds up to 5,027 revolutions per minute, delivering a maximum wind speed of 7.01 meters per second. Additionally, it features a built-in 10,000 mAh lithium polymer battery for up to 18 hours of operation, making it ideal for workers who need reliable cooling throughout the day. This 5-in-1 multifunctional fan can be used as a waist clip fan, neck fan, personal fan, portable power pack, and even an LED torch. Its compact and hands-free design makes it perfect for outdoor activities, work environments, and everyday use. With AC/DC power options, overcharge and discharge protection, and a robust rechargeable battery, the Rican Portable fan is your go-to solution for staying cool and comfortable, no matter where you are. Hey everyone, thanks for sticking around for this video. If you found this helpful or entertaining, subscribing to the channel is a fantastic way to stay in the loop. I'm constantly creating new content, and I'd love for you to be a part of the community. Stay tuned for more amazing technologies that are on the rise. Have you ever heard of an AI that studies the collective behavior of swarms of insects, flocks of birds, schools of fish, and other groups of animals? Well, we've got that covered. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.